Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today let us learn sword stitch. The sword stitch is an easy stitch. It looks like a loop, no knot in the center. We can make it large or small according to the pattern. You can make them in lines or scatter them in the pattern in larger areas. Now coming to the stitch, start on your left dot. Go to the top dot and insert the needle, pull over, come to the other end and just pass the needle below the thread and finish it on the lowermost dot, and this is sword stitch. Let us see once again. Start in the left dot, insert the needle on the top dot and pull over. Now bring it out on the opposite side, pass the needle below the thread, make a loop and finish it in the lowermost dot. We got a sword stitch. Once again, start on your left, go to the topmost dot and make a stitch. Insert the needle on the other side, pass the needle through the stitch and bring it down and finish it. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. If you have any doubts, please do comment on the comment section. I have posted many videos on hand embroidering stitches and I have given all the links in the description. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. If you like this video, share with your friends. And if you have not subscribed for my channel so far, please do subscribe. Also click the bell icon for further notifications. And now I have finished the stitch. This is the back view of the stitch. Thank you.